Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Makamaksis pang mga vlog starring Pabibe and Pabibe. Uy! Hey! What you doing? Okay, alam nyo na kahapon or di ko alam kung kailan kami mag-upload ng video na to. Pero kahapon, or actually kanina ang birthday party ni Netro. Ngayon, birthday pa rin ni Netro. May 9, 2021. Diba? Oh yes, we have a number 1 balloon. Yeah, all his balloons dyan. Oh, diba, Bibi? Yes. Kasi 1-year-old ka today. Diba? Yes. It's like hapon na. Ngayon, hindi pa binuksan ni Nitro ang mga regalo niya. Oh, hello. Keanu. What you doing? Yun yung pinsan ni Nitro na si Keanu. Hey, Keanu. Hey, baby. Keanu.
Keanu.
Hello,
Say
baby.
hi.
Hello.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Oh, this Hallie. Auntie Hallie.
Hello.
You know?
Happy birthday, si Nitro.
Okay guys, bubuksan na po natin. Bubuksan na po ni Nitro ang mga regalo niya. Hey Keanu! Keanu baby, what you doing?
Where's that?
You're trying to open Nitro's gifts, are you? Yes.
Where's...
Oh, he's opening it. Go Kelly! Hello Jack! Hello! So yun yung anak ni Jack, si Keanu. Keanu, I wrap it.
Wow, it's awful.
Alright, here we go Nitro. Here we go buddy. Oh, here we go. Here we go.
Wait, what happened?
Easy. Oh, no, what are you doing? He just wants the camera.
Did it work?
Oh yeah, where is it? Did we open it already?
Oh, just a crystal.
Okay, Nitro. Nitro. Oh, here we go. Open it. Oh yeah, that's it. That's it, baby. Open your prezzies. Open the prezzies. Yeah, you got it. That's it. That's it. This is the one. Hey, look. Take the paper off. Yeah, take the paper off. Take it off. Nitro, Nitro, look. Nitro. Wow. Also have a gift from Rosel. Rosel and si Nisi. Yes, Nisi. Hey, baby. Come on, buksan mo na. Buksan mo na. Look, 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 look. Whoa, what's that? What's that? Look. Woo! What's that, baby boy? Huh? What's that? Wala siyang pake.
Happy Mother's Day.
Okay, here we go. So we're gonna open it up. This VR. This VR. Ooh, what's this one? What's this one? We should turn on the other light, eh?
Mom.
Hey, Mom, can you turn on that other light for us? Yeah.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Phil Talk today.
You ready, Nitro? What is it, huh? Oh, we wrecked the box. We wrecked the box, didn't we? Yes, we did. Oh, what is it? What is it? Oh, what is it? Huh? What is it? What is it? Huh? What is it? Oh, let's take it out. Oh, look, 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 look. Oh, look, baby Nitro. Oh, what's that? You right, huh? Oh, what's that? What's this? That's what your present is. This is your big present. It's an indoor jumping castle. It's an indoor jumping castle. Hey, this is from Mommy and Daddy. Kahit wala kang naintindihan. This is from Mommy and Daddy. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Alright, watch it, Daddy Hallie. Oh, look. Oh, is it cool? Hey, wanna sit on it? Boom. Yes, si Mommy and Daddy bumili nito para sa iyo. So, para siyang playpen para sa baby. Pero bouncing castle din. Nitro.
Baby. Let me get your dummy out.
Oh, Nitro. This one. Who's this from? Grandma? This is from Grandma? Right?
Do not say it's from me.
Nitro, look, baby. Nitro, look. What's this one? What's this one?
You're gonna open it?
Oh, look at this one. Look at this one. Ooh. Nitro, look, 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 look. So, ang favorite color ni Nitro ay green. Basta green, gustong-gusto niya.
What?
Look, what's that? Huh? What's that? Huh? Ooh. Oh, yeah, that's cool. Hey. Ooh.
What is this?
Huh?
What is it?
This is a crystal wand.
A stick.
Oh!
Yes, because Nitro likes sticks, doesn't he? He likes playing with
Little boys
sticks.
don't want crystal wands, Dwaine. They want sticks.
Here.
Here we
Oh,
go.
what's that one? Oh, it's a caterpillar. Look, a caterpillar. It's squishy.
I'm gonna crawl. Fly.
Hi, Keanu. Look. Hi.
Oh, he wants that stick. Look, he's got that stick.
I just said it.
Yeah, he loves picking up the sticks, don't you? Yes, whacking people with it. Hey.
Hi, baby.
Yeah. Yes, you do. Alright, what else we got, baby Nacho? Oh, is this from Grandma? Oh, this is from Palola. She got him the baby Bilby and the wildcat. That's a story about killing wildcats because they're feral animals.
Darling, you felt that.
You're okay, baby. We also got him Nina Easter Bilby.
That's like half a fry.
Oh, we got some Australian animal
Nitro
books.
tries
Para sa baby. Ito. Yes.
He's got the stick.
Oh, we also have a card. I don't know why Grandma likes to write cards. Kasi si Nitro, 1 year old pa lang siya. Hindi naman siya makakabasa, di ba? Nitro! Hey, look, baby.
Show me the card.
That's all.
Grandma said,
Gravity.
Palola said, wishing a very special little boy a lot of big fun on his first birthday with love. To my gorgeous little boy, great grandson, Nitro Clark. Palola loves you so very much. Happy first birthday. Ang galing. Yes, baby. Oh, you like that stick? That's right. Yeah, you tune on it. You tune on the stick. Yeah. Nitro. Hey, Nitro. Nitro. What's this?
Open this
What's
one.
this? It's a big green wrapper.
Open it.
Hey, what is it? Oh, here. Oh, thank you, Keanu. Yeah, I'll take that. Oh, yes. There you go, Keanu. You have the empty bag. There you go. Yes. Okay. Nitro, look. You got a shirt. You got a shirt. Yeah, you got a shirt from great grandma. My mummy is Dynamite.
Lol.
Yeah, you can be a wizard with your staff. All right, let's unwrap this one, Nitro. Ready? Unwrap it. Nitro, unwrap. Look.
That's from your van.
Yes, this is from, I think this is from Nisi Cho from America. Wala kasing pangalan na nakalagay. But I think it's from Nisi Cho. Nitro, ready? Look. Ooh, what's that?
Wow.
What's that? Huh? What's that, baby? Oh, pretty cool. Hey, that's a big train.
Oh, it's a ride-on train.
It's a ride-on train. I can't believe Nisi got this for us. So isa siya sa mga fans namin. Golden Bunter fam siya din dati. This would have cost a lot of money. So thank you so much, Nisi. Maraming salamat po. This is great. Isn't it, Nitro? How cool is that? How cool is that?
You like it, Nitro?
Should we open it? We open it right up, hey? Yeah? Let's open this one right up. Huh? How do we open it up, Hallie?
There's tape on the side.
Yeah.
You like that?
You like it, hey? Yeah.
Do you want scissors? Unboxing. There we go. Wow. You have to build it.
We have to build it, we have to put it together. Oh, this is hectic. This thing is hectic. Grabe, no? Whoa!
Gosh.
I need to build this thing. You build ko pa to.
It's the first of
Grab it.
many years of building stuff.
Yeah, I know. Oh, here's the main body of it. Oh wow, that's pretty cool, isn't it? That's a big train. A ride-on train. How cool is that? Galing. Let's take this out. Oh, there's some more stuff in here as well. Oh, all the building blocks. Ready, Nitro? Ready? I'm gonna tip them out. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Let me read.
Oh wow, that's a lot of presents, Nitro. Hey, that's a lot of presents. Oh wow.
Teaches colours and types of weather. It has a walkie-talkie and number keys.
Really?
It has a storybook page.
Oh
A happy click face. And other fine motor skills features and realistic train sounds. And you can ride on it, use it as a walker, sit down and play a pool card.
Cool card.
Pool.
Oh, pool card. Okay, that's awesome.
That is so cool.
That's amazing. So maraming salamat po, Nisi. Okay guys, this is Nitro's next gift. This is from Roselle. So yes, she gave it to Hallie habang nagtatrabaho si Harry. So, ito pa siya. Oh wow, it's another B-Tech thing. It's a helicopter. Wow! What does this do? Does this fly? Push and spin helicopter.
You push it.
Oh, and it drives.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Oh, that's cool. Introduces cause and effect. That's awesome. Ang galing. Maraming salamat, Rosel. She also gave us this. Oh, my card pa to baby Nitro. Here we go. You're a very special little boy, and it's a very special kind of day.
Aww.
Dearest baby Nitro, happy first birthday ever, baby Nitro. We're glad you get to celebrate here in Australia. May you grow up to be a wonderful person full of love, kindness, and happiness. Stay cute. We love you. From Lizzie, Sophie, and Gabby, Rosel, Ruiz, Noki. Thank you so much, Rosel. Oh, she also got Nitro some of this stuff. I feel very connected to Nitro. And it's a Filipino cultural thing. Bonds. Okay, so thank you, Rosel. Bonds. Yeah, look at that. Awesome. Wow, that's a lot of stuff, isn't it? So, baby Nitro, happy first birthday from Lizzie, Sophie, and Gabby, the Nofke family. Maraming salamat po, Rosel. Nitro, wow, look at all these toys. Naglalaro na.
Bye.
You heading off, are you, Jack?
Yeah.
Alright, thanks for coming, mate. Thanks for coming, Glorine.
Okay. Bye, Glory.
Oh,
Oh, do you want his son?
Nitro.
We're going out on a date. They're
Who
coming
are?
back. Them.
Oh, they're coming back, are they?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Nitro, hey buddy. Nitro. It's a big train, hey. Yeah, that's pretty cool, isn't it? Yeah.
Ready? Let's turn it on.
So all those toys, and Nitro wants to play with the cardboard. Nitro, what are you doing? Don't eat the cardboard. Yucky, yucky. Ano ba naman yan? Mami, look, this gift is from Rosel. It works. Look, Nitro, look. Ready? Ready? Look, baby. Ready? Look, ready? Woo! Cool, huh? Ready, Nitro? Nitro, look, ready? Look.
Bye.
Woo! You push it down and it'll drive. Yeah. Push it down. Push it down. Push it down like this. Ready? Ready?
He just wants it to turn.
You just want to turn it, don't you? Yes. Shanda, anong ginagawa mo dyan? We need to set that train up too, so we can ride on the train. Nitro's on the train. He wants to drive it. Shanta.
He wants to get off because he wants to play with this.
Wrong side, boy. All the buttons are on the other side, aren't they? Yeah. Yep. Alright, Dwaine fam, maraming salamat sa panonood sa video na to. So ngayon, magulo na po yung sala namin. So I'm gonna clean all this stuff up. Ito exciting to eh. Indoor jumping castle para kay Baby Nitro. So, meron po akong announcement, I guess. Lilipat na po kami ng bahay. So, we're gonna dalhin ko to sa bagong bahay namin. Doon namin isi-set up yung jumping castle niya. Pero ang saya-saya niya sa mga toys niya. Tingnan niyo. Ang saya-saya ng baby sa mga laruan niya. Love you, Pabibe. Hey, Baby Nitro. Yeah, you love it. Don't ya? Yes! Alright guys, thank you so much once more at Kitty Kids po sa sunod na video ng Adwanta. Bye for now.